easy feat.
You can take a little piece of McDonald's home with one of 21 little McDonald's toys.
Dynamic, diverse, and experience the infinite facets of the city beneath us as you prepare to see forever. And now, we invite you to enter One World Observatory through the doors on your right, where a spectacular 360-degree view of the city awaits directly below you.
And not everyone is a sneak peek of the north view of our observatory.
Wow! Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for another Kids Channel show quiz. We will give you a question, and your job is to figure it out what is the answer. So let's get the show started. Thank you for playing with us. To play some more show quiz, continue watching Kids Channel. See you there. For the Greens, living in a big city means always trying something new.
Well, I wanted to get wild.
Like sports, new hairstyles, and whatever that is.
No.
So join them as they get a taste for that sweet city life.
Neato. Don't look away.
Catch Big City Greens weekends at 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. on Teen Channel.
Hey TiVo, wanna try one chip? No way, Maya. I got something delicious on my musical lunchbox. Sandwich group, cow group, jungle group, Butterfinger group. Hey, there's no Butterfinger group. Oh, I forgot, Maya. The Butterfinger group provides a bunch of peanut butter and chocolate taste essential for survival. I don't have the Butterfinger group. Looks like I got a lot of nutrition, Maya. Nobody lays a finger on my Butterfinger.
Well, everybody, they're building the island of luxury. It's called Dream Island.
64 contestants. One island.
We'll lose a full bunch.
Please, snare.
Crazy challenges. And more.
So, how much will it cost?
Not even a penny.
Then I'll take it.
Catch the gang of Battle for Dream Island Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. and at 4:30 p.m. on Teens Channel. Now back to the fun time.
Hey, isn't it time for rivalry revenge?
There it is. No, not yet.
Give it back, Waffle!
No way!
Clover, can I borrow your marbles?
Why?
Just give me them! Come back here!
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa!
Diamond is safe, so now it's down to Shovel and Strawberry. Who will win? Who will lose?
Come on, guys! You can do it! You can do it!
Yeah, I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna... Whoa!
And Strawberry's the 5th one up for elimination, and Shovel's the last one safe. Okay, since Bowling Ball, Calculator, Net, Paddle, and Strawberry fell off their platforms, they are up for elimination. What? Me? Up for elimination? Well, it is my first time, unlike you guys. That's only because we're gone for episode 3 and 4. Oh, it's you again, the one who doesn't know what a football is? You just think you're so cool. Well, you know what? You're just a...
Oh my gosh!
Vote on who you want to be eliminated in the next episode. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show.
The following is a general audience program.
Hey, Jeff. Tell a man, don't scare me ever again. Now, what do you want? What are you doing? Oh, yes. Today is April Fool's. That means Yellowston favorite holidays here. And I'm not gonna be tricked again. So that's why... Whoa.
LOL, you really thought I forgot my favorite holiday, huh?
Oh, great. Man, I really hate April Fools. Why? I already told you. Because of Yellowston, keep pranking me a lot. Like, how a lot? What a nice day. Whoa. Oh my god, I can't believe that worked. What a nice day here. Nothing can ruin it. Yellowston, what are you doing? Yellowston, please. No. Wow, that was so funny. Okay, nothing can ruin this day. Hey, Jeff. What do you want, Yellowston? Yellowston, what are you doing? Yellowston? No. Yellowston, I swear to God, please? No. This is gonna be the ultimate prank ever. Hey, Jeff, what do you want, Yellowston? Can't you see I'm all soaking wet because of you? Well, I have a solution here. Wait, what are you doing, the scissor? Yellowston, please. No, I'm too young to die. No. Ow. Save me. Save me. Oh my god, that was so hilarious. Oh. See what I mean? Every April Fool's, Yellowson had to pull pranks on me. Like, why can't he prank someone else? Like you, Teleman, or Remote, or anybody else. If only I can give Yellowson a taste of his own medicine. Wait. I have the best idea ever! Come with me, Teleman! Okay. Okay, here's the plan. When Yellowson was about to prank us, we could stop him from pranking us by pranking him. So Teleman, put on this clown costume and scare Yellowson. Fine. Okay, I put on that stupid costume. Oh no. Hey, they're just ketchup, not blood. That's the oldest trick in the book. Teleman, watch out, huh? Ah!
Nice try.
Oh, it's on.
Hot dogs for sale. Mister gotta pay for nothing. People done for sale. The boy gotta pay for nothing.
Oh boy, I can't believe I'm doing this.
Ooh, may I join?
Shut up.
Okay, James. Rude.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Challenge TV. Hello guys, my name is Mr. Breaking News guys, and welcome to the Challenge TV show. And today, we have Jeffrey and Yellowson. They're competing to see who's the best prankster ever. Also, happy April Fool Day guys. Okay, whenever I say go, you go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, how about let's not fight?
What do you mean?
This isn't working, Jeffrey.
What are you talking about?
We both won.
But the violence, the fight, the everything. We didn't even do them.
I love you, Jeff.
Ooh, are you gonna kiss?
This is a general audience program.
The following program is rated TV Y7 and equipped with closed captions.